Today we are going to learn the final letters in our alphabet. Are you ready? Hello everyone! Welcome to Learning with Loz. I'm Loz and I'm so happy that you are here. Would you like to learn and play together? Fantastic! Now, today we are going to learn the final letters in our alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go. We have a lot to get through today. The first new letter I'm going to teach you is this one. This is an S and it makes one of my favourite sounds. S. Can you try that sound? S. Oh, I heard that. Now, what do you think S might be for? A snake. That's right. It's also the sound that a snake makes. Shall we try one more time? S. That was a very good snake sound. Our next letter. This is a T. Now, grown-ups get this one wrong. This makes the sound T. T. You have to pretend you're a symbol, something like that. Can you try for me? T. T. Good job, well done. Now, T is for tap. This has actually got 3 of our sounds already all together. Tap. Can you try? Tap. Now, our next letter is a U. And this makes the sound ah. Ah. Can you make that sound, please? Ah. Ah. Well done. Do you remember we've seen this on another card before? Now, what starts with an ah? An umbrella. That's right. When do we use an umbrella? Yes, when it rains. You are very clever. Mine's a rainbow umbrella because that's my favourite. Let's try one more, shall we? Now this is the letter V. Now this makes a very strange sound. Makes the sound vroom, vroom. Makes my whole lip tingle. Can you try? Vroom, vroom. Well done. Now I sometimes think that sounds a bit like an engine. And look, V is for van or vehicle. Isn't that clever? Now, we have just learned 4 new letters. Shall we remind ourselves what they were? Okay, are you ready? This was S and it makes the sound S. Well done. What was the next one? This is a T and it makes the sound T. T. Good job. That one's tricky. This was a U, but it makes the sound ah. Ah. You're doing so well today. Have you been practicing? Our last letter today was a V, which makes the sound V. V. Well done. That was really good for those first 4. Are you ready to learn some more? Okay. Our next letter. This is a W. And this makes the sound W. W. Can you try that? W. W. Well done. W is for windmill. This is the type of windmill you can hold and blow and it will spin. I wonder if you've had one before. Our next letter. This is called an X. And this makes the sound X. What a funny sound that is to make. Can you have a try? Kss, kss. Well done. Now, not many things begin with the sound kss. That usually comes at the end of a word. So our picture today is a fox, because fox ends with a ks sound. I wonder if you can think of any other words that have a ks sound in them. Our next letter is called a Y, and this makes the sound y. Y. Why don't you have a go? Y. Y. Well done. And this is for yo-yo. This has 2 y's in the word. Have you ever played with a yo-yo before? I'm not very good at yo-yos. We have reached all the way to the end of our alphabet. The last letter in our alphabet is a Z, and this makes the sound Z. If you can make yourself sound like a bumblebee, you'll be doing it right. Can you try for me? Z, Z. That was a very good sound. Now, Z can be for zebra. That's right. You might have seen a zebra at the zoo before with all its lovely black and white stripes. Shall we remind ourselves of those last 4 sounds that got us all the way to the end? I know you can do it. Are you ready? This was a W, which made the sound W. W. Well done. This was an X, which makes the sound X. X. That's so good. Well done. This was a Y, which makes the sound Y. Y. And lastly, this was a Z, which makes the sound Z. Z. Well done. You might not realise, but we have just learned 8 new letters. Do you think we can go through all of them now? Let's have a try. First we had an S, which makes the sound S. S. For snake. Well remembered. Then we had a T, which made the sound T. T. And that was for tap. Yes, well done. What about this one? This was a U, which made the sound And was for an umbrella. That's right. I wonder if it's raining where you are today. This letter is V, which makes the sound V. V. And V stood for van or vehicle. Well done. Then we had our W, which made the sound W. W. That's quite a breathy, windy sound, isn't it? W was for windmill. Well done. Did you get my clue? You are very clever. This is our X, which made the sound X. X. This is one of my favourites. X is in the word fox. That's right. I can hear it just at the end. Fox. This one was a Y, which made the sound Y. Can you say Y? Well done. Y was for yo-yo. And our last letter, Z, which made the sound Z. Z was for zebra. And you can find it in the sound buzz as well. Oh my goodness, everybody. You have worked so hard. I think I'm going to have to put all of this together to show everyone just how clever you are when you can practice your whole alphabet. I have really, really enjoyed working on these letters with you, and I can't wait to do some more. I'll see you soon.